In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and here you will notice privacy. So just open it and click on Virgin Mobile or whichever carrier you have. It will be displayed there. And now just click on change SIM PIN. So at first you need to enter the current one. Click on OK then. And now it's time to provide your device with a new one. Click on OK to confirm and then re-enter it to apply the changes. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed correctly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.